India worries China may be constructing a South China Sea-like artificial island in Maldives. China and India, which are faced off along the border between the two countries for past few days, remain locked in a silent confrontation despite the COVID-19 pandemic. Beijing's attempts to expand its political influence among the island nations in the Indian Ocean have angered New Delhi. In another development affecting relations between India and China, the latest satellite images of facelifted island in the Indian Ocean have posed serious concern for New Delhi. A satellite image from January 2018 shows original size of the island, about 38,000 square meters. The other image from February 2020 shows the island reclaimed by China following the destruction of the reef, which made the island 1 lakh square meter as of now. The image also shows ongoing construction on the reclaimed area. The island, which is almost 600 kilometers from India and close to Malé Airport, was leased to an undisclosed Chinese company for 50 years at the cost of about $4 million in December 2016 by the Maldives government. Geopolitical expert Hans Christensen was reapproachful of the project for environmental reasons, speculating that China may destroy the reef in its effort to expand. In the strategically important South China Sea, Beijing has built 7 artificial islands following reef destruction in the Spratly Islands. It took huge amount of sand and coral reef to add 1,300 hectares to the island. China's Ministry of Defense said in 2018 that China has a natural right as a sovereign nation to deploy military assets to its base, the Spratly Islands. However, China claimed that it enjoys sovereign rights jurisdiction over the relevant waters in the South China Sea where infrastructure development took place. As part of its One Belt, One Road connectivity initiative to increase its footprint in the Indian Ocean region, China has been attempting to build infrastructures in the Southeast Asia countries as well. Like the island in Maldives, Beijing has been engaged in key infrastructure projects in Myanmar as well, such as New Yangon City, a deep sea port, an industrial zone, and China-Myanmar Border Economic Cooperation Zone. With the heightened activities of the Chinese fleet in the Indian Ocean region over the past few months, experts have highlighted the development as a part of Chinese string-of-pearls strategy coined by the US consultancy Booz Allen in its 2005 report, Energy Future in Asia, to expand its naval presence throughout the Indian Ocean region by building maritime civilian structures in friendly countries, while India has been desperately trying to counter China's attempts to encircle the country, which holds important position in the Indian Ocean region. Beijing has denied the existence of such strategy. Meanwhile, India and China were in tense face-off near the Nakula sector, the pass at a height of over 5,000 meters in India's Sikkim on Saturday. So many as 11 soldiers, including 4 Indians and 7 Chinese soldiers, were injured in the violence on the line of actual control. The dragon creeps around India continues.